In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share a custom chess.com challenge link. We'll walk through step by step how to open the play menu, set up a custom game with the exact rules you want, generate a unique challenge link, and share it with a friend. I'll keep it simple and give you a few helpful tips along the way so your opponent can join smoothly. Start on the chess.com homepage. On the left-hand menu, hover your mouse over the play option, then click Play or Play Online. This takes you to the new game setup area where you can choose how you want to play. If you're on a touch device, just tap the play section instead of hovering. The idea is the same. Get to the place where you launch a game. Next, look for the Custom Game or New Game tab. Click that to open the custom setup. This is where you define your exact match conditions before you send the challenge. You'll see controls for time, rating, and other preferences. Now set your rules. Pick the time control that suits you. Something like 10 minutes per side is a great standard choice. If you prefer increments, you can choose a time like 5 minutes with a 3-second increment. Decide whether the game should be rated or unrated. Rated games affect your rating, so choose unrated if you're just practicing or testing ideas. You can also adjust other helpful settings, such as choosing to play as white, black, or letting it be random. If a variant option is available and you want standard chess, make sure it's set to standard. Take a moment to double check everything so the challenge matches what you and your opponent expect. When your settings look good, scroll down and click Create Link or Create Challenge Link. Chess.com will generate a unique URL tied to those exact rules. This link is what your opponent will click to join your challenge with no extra setup. Finally, click Copy Link or use the built-in share options to send it via text, email, or social media. Paste the link into your message, and for clarity, mention the basics, something like 10-minute unrated, I'll play black, so your opponent knows what to expect before they accept. If they have trouble joining, confirm they're on chess.com and that the link wasn't altered when pasted. If you need different settings, simply go back, adjust the options, and create a fresh link. And that's it. You've navigated to play, set up a custom game, generated the challenge link, and shared it. Enjoy your match.